Hi, my name is Moumi Sarkar and today we'll be creating this office wear look which is sweat and waterproof both, perfect for the coming monsoon. So to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So to start off, first I will be toning my face with this Aroma Magic Aromatic Toner in an order to close my pores and give some hydration to my face, and then I'll be patting it into my skin. After which I'll be taking this Jeva's Aloevera gel, dotting it all over my face and moisturizing my face. Moisturization is very important no matter what skin type you have. Now comes the main part. I will be taking an ice cube and wrap it into a tissue and start massaging it on my face, which will close all the pores and give me a smooth skin. Now let's start with priming. For that, I'll be using this Blue Heaven primer, warm it up between my fingers and apply it all over my face. I will be focusing it mostly on my T-zone because T-zone I have more pores, and from the pores you tend to get sweaty, and that's why they need to be filled. Now after this I will be taking a 5 minutes gap in which you may change your clothes, and then we'll move to the foundation. Now I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which has a medium to high coverage, buildable coverage you can say. And for that I won't be using a brush but a damp beauty sponge. Now, a damp beauty sponge has some amount of water content in it already, which will help the foundation to set into place and not budge throughout the day. So I'm just dabbing the beauty blender on my skin and just evenly applying the foundation like you can see. After this, I'll be waiting for 2 minutes to let the foundation dry, and then I'll be again taking an ice cube in a tissue and I will dab it all over my face. By doing this, whatever foundation has to come off due to water will come off and it will leave you with a non-budging base. Now, to conceal my imperfections, that is the darkness around my eyes and some of the acne scars that I have on my face, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. And then I'll again be using the same wet beauty sponge in an order to blend it out. First I'll blend out the concealer on my acne scars and then I'll move to my under eyes. After blending out this, I'll be setting the entire face, and this also I won't do with a dry sponge but the wet sponge because of the wetness of the sponge, the powder will set into place and will not budge. And then comes the magic step, which is a makeup fixing spray. I will first set my base and then again I will take my damp beauty blender, tap it very gently all over my face, just the slightest touch you can say, so that whatever excess powder is there on my face, it comes off. Now taking this coralish kind of a blush by Wet n Wild, I will be applying it on my cheeks with the same beauty blender. Again I'll be taking this Nika K liquid highlighter in the shade Gold, put it on all of my high points, that is my cheekbones, tip of my nose, forehead and my Cupid's bow, and then I'll be blending it out with the same beauty sponge. Now to give some definition, I will take a eyebrow pencil and only fill, no rocket science, just fill them up and spoolie them out for a smooth look. After which I'll take a brown Kajal pencil and apply it on my waterlines of both my eyes. Then I'll take this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara in the variant waterproof and apply it on my top and bottom lashes. To finish the look, I'll be using this Lakme 9 to 5 lip and cheek mousse, and voila, there you go. You can style your hair however you want, and that's the finished look. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Bye.